Hello everyone, here are my Schindler N series elevator buttons. You have your emergency alarm. Look, an emergency alarm. Look. You have floor 3. Elevator is going up. You have floor -2. Elevator is going down, door closing. You have door opening. Elevator is going up. 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 Look. Door closing. Door closing. Door closing. Elevator is going up. Elevator is going up. Elevator is going up. Floor -1. Floor -1. Elevator is going up. Floor 2. Now floor 1. Floor 3. Floor 1. Elevator is going down. Look. Elevator is going up. Elevator is going up. Elevator is going up. And elevator is going down. 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 So, let's do a recap. Alarm, emergency alarm activated. Floor 3 button. Elevator is going down button. Elevator is going up button. Floor -2 button. Door opening button. Door closing button. Floor 1 button. Floor -1 button. Floor 2 button. So you have floor -2, floor -1, 1. Where's 1? Floor 1. Where's 2? Floor 2. Floor 3. Elevator is going down. Elevator is going up. Door closing. Emergency alarm activated. Buttons -2, -1, 1, 2, 3. Doors closing, doors opening. Elevator going down. Elevator going up. Alarm.
Where?